Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to do question answer of chapter 9, reproduction in plants. So let's start it. Question answer of part A, fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Dash reproduce through the process of budding. Answer is yeast. Number 2, pollen grain are produced by dash. Answer is another. Number 3, the agent that carry the pollen grain from another to the stigma. Answer is pollinatory. Question number 4, the fusion of a male germate with a female germate is called. Answer is fertilization. Question number 5, seed of orchid get dispersed by. Answer is wind. So our question answer part A, fill in the blanks, is completed. Number B, write true false for the following statement. Question number 1, is reproduce and sexually through fragmentation. Answer is false. Question number 2, sweet potato and dahlia use their roots for asexual reproduction. Answer is true. Question number 3, a asexual flower has both stamen and pistils in it. Answer is false. Number 4, water can be agent of pollination. Answer is true. Question number 5, male and female germates fuse to form the zygote. Answer is true. Question number 6, seed and pea and beans plant are formed in pods. Answer is true. So our part B, question answer write true false, is completed. Question number 1 का आंसर होगा false. Question number 2 का true. Then question number 3 का false. Question number 4 true. Question number 5 true. Then question number 6 is also true. Now question answer of part C, tick the correct option. Question number 1, Spirogyra produced asexually by. Answer is fragmentation. Question number 2, Bryophyllum reproduce through it. Answer is leaves. Now question number 3, the reproductive part of the plant for sexual reproduction, is it? Answer is flower. Question number 4, pollen grain contain the. Answer is male reproductive cell. Question number 5, fruits develop from the. Answer is ovary. So our part C, tick the correct option, is completed. Now part D, answer the following question in brief. Question number 1, name the two part of reproduction in plants. Answer is the two type of reproduction are number 1, sexual reproduction, then number 2, asexual reproduction. Question number 2, define vegetative production. Answer is when a new plant is born from a vegetative part of the plant. This is called vegetable reproduction. Question number 3. Give 2 example of plant which reproduce through spore formation. Answer is Rhizopus and some bacteria. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Name 2 artificial method of vegetative propagation from stem. Answer is stem cutting and mudslinging. Question number 5. When a flower said to be a bisexual flower? Answer is when a flower has both stamens and pistils, it is called bisexual flower. Question number 6. Name any 3 ways by which seeds are dispersed. Answer is seed dispersed happen by wind, water, and by animals. So our part D question answer is completed. Now part E. Answer the following question. Question number 1. In what way is vegetative propagation better than sexual reproduction? Answer is vegetative propagation takes less time to produce a new plant. A farmer can get flowers of more than one color by applying vegetative propagation. Purity of breeds can be maintained by vegetative propagation. Question number 2. Draw a well leveled diagram to describe the part of flower. तो इसमें आपको फ्लावर के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स को आपको लेवलिंग करना है, तो इस तरीके से आप फ्लावर बना के उसका लेवलिंग कर सकते हो. Now question number 3. How is self-pollination different from cross-pollination? Answer is self-pollination. Self-pollination, pollen transferred to the stigma of a sunflower plant does not need help of pollinative agent. Cross-pollination, pollen is in grain and transferred to the stigma of different flower plant need help of a pollinating agent. Question number 3. How are fruits formed? Answer is after fertilization, petals and spells usually fall off ovary, develop into a fruits so that nutrition can be provided to the developing seeds. Question number 5. Why is dispersal of seed necessary for growth of plants? Answer is if all the seeds would fall near the present plants and germinate, there would be too many plants in a similar area. The planted cell not be able to get a required amount of sunlight, oxygen, moisture, etc. As a result, most of the plant would not survive, and it's important that new plants grow up far away from the present plant. For this, the seeds should be spread far and wide. तो इसलिए जो है वो सीड्स को डिस्पर्सल करना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि एक ही जगह पे जब बहुत सारे प्लांट रहेंगे तो उसमें प्रॉपरली सनलाइट नहीं मिलेगा, तो वो क्या है कि अपना फोटोसिंथेसिस के थ्रू अपना फूड न्यूट्रिशन सारा कुछ फॉर्मेट नहीं कर पाएंगे. सारा कुछ जब प्रॉपरली नहीं होगा तो वो प्लांट ग्रो अच्छे से नहीं करेगा. तो इसलिए प्लांट्स को डिस्टेंस के हिसाब से और उसे डिस्पर्सल करके अरेंज किया जाता है ताकि वो प्रॉपरली उसका ग्रोथ हो सके. Hope so this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video.